can't see down here. How do they do this? Okay. Anyway, this is my Temu Haul that I've done. And I think I got some more stuff coming. This is the majority of it. I'm out in my garage doing it in the back of my trunk because I don't believe in opening packages in my house anymore. No, not doing that. I don't know if any of you have had the problem I've had, but you know what? I'm sorry. Give me a second. Let me go get my microphone. Need to get my microphone so y'all can hear me better. March 13th. So anyway, this is my Temu Haul stuff that I bought. Thought I saw a bug. I was about to scream. So let's see what's all in my packages. I don't even remember what all I got. Let's see here. Oh, these are, ooh, they stink. I think these are towels. I bought towels because I saw someone make something for Easter with towels. So I decided to buy some towels. But there's these some weird looking towels. What kind of towels are these? I guess with Temu, you never know what you're gonna end up. These, let me see. Y'all see these? Kind of towels. Okay, whatever. Bought towels. What is this? Don't tell me this is what I think it is. I thought this was bigger than this. Y'all, when y'all buy from Temu, make sure you checking out the instruction. I mean the what's the word I'm looking for, y'all? The description. Make sure y'all checking out the description. I thought this was bigger than this. Not saying I can't use it, because wait till y'all see my the room that I have all my stuff in, all my arts and crafts. I mean, I can use it. It's just, oh my gosh, look there. Okay, whatever. I thought it was bigger than that. Is this some more towels? Oh, now this, I feel like I might be happy with this one. This is for your this is for cleaning my sheds. And it's got plastic stuff coming out of it. This is for um Lord, I'm tired. I can't think. It's too late in the evening. It's 6:03. This is for my ceiling fans, to clean my ceiling fans with. So it goes through here. The blade on the ceiling fan goes through here, and you clean it, and it does extend. So not extending a lot for me, because I'm only 5 feet tall. I need something longer. Okay. Anyway, once again, read the description of the item you're buying, because honey, you never know. So let's see what this is. This is, oh, these are bags. These are plastic gift bags that I want to use. Once again, I thought they were bigger, but that doesn't mean I can't use them. These are plastic gift bags. So I want to use these to maybe do some, like a gift basket. So maybe decorate them. That's how big they are. Ooh, they're thin. They're really thin, but I can do something with those, I'm sure. Okay. Plastic don't smell too bad. I can't stand this chemical smell. All right, what's in this one? 2 items. Is, see, what could it be? I don't remember. Oh, how about some beads? Every now and then I do arts and crafts. I do crafts with beads. So I decided to buy some more beads. And I think they're wooden this time. Because I'm having a hard time. The silicone beads, sometimes you'll see them. These are wooden beads. Rabbit shape, Easter colors. Cool. Some nice ones in there. Can you see y'all? See, look at that one. Can you see it? So these are probably beads also. Yeah, they are. More beads. Oh, these are so cute. I'm so glad I got these. These are cute. So finally, I'm really happy with something. The other stuff was like, it'll do. But these, so far, I'm liking these colors. Oh my gosh. Wooden beads. And look at the colors. Look at there. I don't know if y'all can see. Look at the little honey. La 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 la. I like these. I like these too. I'm glad I got them. Okay. So that's my little Temu haul. Just went crazy with getting stuff. Sometimes I can't help it. And it's not good, I know. But there's so much going on right now in the country. Y'all know what's going on. Yeah, I have to do something to keep my mind occupied. So anyway, hope y'all enjoy my little Temu haul video, and like and subscribe, and stay tuned to see what things what I may what I may end up creating with some of these things that I got, what ideas I may come up with. Okay, thanks everybody. Bye.